Assalamu alaikum ya asdiqai. Peace be upon you, my friends. Welcome back to Clear Language Center. Today is very exciting. We are going to learn about people and jobs. أشخاص والوظائف. Are you ready? Here is a tip. When you learn a job word, connect it to a picture, an action, and a sentence. This helps your brain. Connecting these things helps you remember Arabic words much faster. Let's try it with our friends. First, let's learn how to ask, who is this? For a boy, we say, من هذا. And for a girl, من هذه. Look at Layla at her desk. من هذه? Who is this? Let's ask her together. من هذه? The class answers, هذه طالبة. This is a female student. Well done. Again, طالبة. And here is Zaid. He is a boy, so we ask, من هذا? Who is this? من هذا? Exactly, هذا طالب. This is a male student. Everyone repeat, طالب. Excellent. Now look at Nora helping at the board. من هذه? Who is this? Listen carefully. من هذه? She is helping us learn. هذه معلمة. This is a female teacher. Repeat. معلمة. معلمة. And what about me? أنا معلم. I am a teacher. I am your teacher today. أنا معلم. Look at Ferris. He has a special hat. من هذا? Who is this? Is he a student? من هذا? Ferris thinks he is still a student. هذا طالب? Is he? No. Look at the hat. Let's help him. No, Ferris. لا. هذا شرطي. No, this is a police officer. Class, say it. شرطي. شرطي. And look at Mimi. She has a stethoscope. من هذه? Who is this? What is her job? من هذه? Mimi is a doctor. هذه طبيبة. This is a female doctor. Everyone together. طبيبة. طبيبة. And for a man, we remove the ah sound. طبيب. A male doctor is طبيب. Very good practice. Now, let's play our favorite game. استمع واختر الصورة الصحيحة. Listen and choose the correct picture. I will say a word and you point to the right picture on your screen. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, طالب. Which one is it? Listen. طالب. Yes, the student. طالب. Great start. Number 2, معلمة. Find the teacher. معلمة. You found her. Amazing job. معلمة. Number 3, شرطي. Point to the police officer. شرطي. Wonderful. You are very fast. شرطي. Last round, طبيب. Where is the doctor? طبيب. That's right. Brilliant work today. طبيب. You won the game. You are all Arabic superstars. Let's do one last thing to remember. Let's do our vocabulary chant. We will say all the words together, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3.
طالب. طالبة. طالب. طالبة.
Good. Say it with me.
طالب. طالبة.
معلم.
معلمة. معلم. معلمة.
Beautiful.
Again. معلم. معلمة.
طبيب.
طبيبة. شرطي. طبيب. طبيبة. شرطي.
One last time.
شرطي.
Fantastic work today. I am so proud of you. Ma salama. Goodbye. I will see you in our next lesson.